What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Baby Shaq and I'm here to help you become profitable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you find this content helpful, and I know you do. So without further ado, let's get right into the trade recap. So today I was looking to trade the NASDAQ / the S&P 500. So initially I was looking at the NASDAQ. You can see on the 1 hour time frame, we end up getting a 1 hour as well as a 4 hour break of structure. We have a low, high, lower low. And then right here, you can see that we get a break of the 1 hour and 4 hour structure with this black candle wick. If I go a little closer, you'll be able to see that we break higher, and that is a break of structure for me. Now, I saw that near the lows, we started to create an SMT with ES. So let me go to the 15-minute, and I can probably delete the stuff that I put up here. And then let me do the double chart. And you can see we had a few SMTs today as well. Let me smooth it out in the middle. Okay. So right here is a SMT. Boom. I think, was it right here? So this was the major SMT that happened today that I took the trade setup off of. Now you can see that this is a low and then a lower low, which means and this made a low and a higher low. So when you take trades based off of SMT, of course you want to base it off of structure first, not just SMTs alone. You want to take the asset that is stronger if you're looking for buys. So in this case, if I'm looking for the market to go up and we have this low and this low does not close below this low, but this one does, you want to take the one that has the stronger close above. Hopefully that makes sense. So right now this is weaker because we broke below it. Right now this is stronger because we stayed above it. So with that being said, I ended up looking to trade the S&P. So now looking at the S&P, you can see that we had that SMT right there. If we go to the higher time frame, we can see that we also had a higher time frame break of structure right here. We had a 30-minute break of structure, which created my range low and my range high. This is my low. This is my high right here. So now everything in between there is potential liquidity for us to take. And you can see right here, we take the Asian session low. So we take not the Asian session, but the London session low. In this blue box, this is all the London session. So this was the London session low right here. This is the Asian session low, which we held. And if you look at the NASDAQ, we actually took the Asian sessions low, which is right here, and we also took the London lows. So we took both of those and then went to the upside on the NASDAQ. But on here, we only took the London session. Now, if we go down to the lower time frame, let's say I was on the 15-second when I executed this, and I'll show you guys on a actual chart, which is why I put this right there. I executed right down here because we started to get some bullish pressure. We got a 15-second break of structure, which gave me some type of structure to base this trade off of, which is what I like to do, base my trades off of structure. We also have low resistance liquidity or liquidity to target. And we also had, on top of all of that, on the NASDAQ, we had this, there was a SMT up here with, I think with, what you call it, the S&P. And let me just go to it so I can show you right here. This is the same Asian session highs, Asian session high, Asian session high. We had an SMT, I think right here, and okay, yeah, right here. So you can see we made a higher high right here and a lower high right here, which was a signal for a reversal. So with this happening, I anticipated that we were at least going to head up and take this Asian session high now, because if you look, it is a consolidation with equal highs, which means it is liquidity resting in this area, all above here. So that was pretty much my target for the day. And once again, I took the trade off of the stronger asset, which is the S&P. And I will show you guys, I actually made a video, but it was super early, so I didn't even talk during the video. I just made the video, but I'll plug that in soon, and you guys will be able to see. You can see on this account we made 263, and we made like 100 on another Express account. But I want to go to the 15-second time frame where you can see I executed right here. You can see this 15-second break of structure for me, and then that is when I entered on my position, had my stop loss under that 30-minute low, and then I had my take profit, I think right here. And that was a nice 2R right there. Let me see where the 30-minute high is. Yep, so we took it, yeah, we took it off of this right here. So yeah, that was a 2R right there, and it was a beautiful trade, beautiful setup. We're still going to the upside. You can see with the moving averages, we're actually trending right now to the upside on here. And let me go to the 30-minute, and we are we trending on this one? Yes, we broke out of here, closed above the trending moving averages. So I think we have some decent room to the upside to maybe take out the all-time highs. I guess we just took out the all-time highs, so now we're gonna see what else happens from here. And the S&P has been breaking all-time highs constantly over and over, but we're gonna leave well, I say we're gonna leave this to run, but I have an options play on this, so we're gonna let it run a little bit longer. It is Friday, so I may close out on it, but it's set to close like sometime next week. So I'm up maybe like 40%, so I may just close out of it and end the day good, or maybe even set it to break even. But that's all for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.